nice weather.
It's nice Rachel we're having.
Oh my god. That is the worst thing you could say.
What? I mean weather. It's nice weather. It sure is.
Hey guys, it's me, Emily, and I'm black, what? I'm back with Life is Strange, Before the Storm. I almost said Life is Strange 2, but I already finished every episode I have of that so far. So yeah, we're back with Life is Strange, Before the Storm, so let's get into it. Did she fall asleep?
Country music?
What? Oh no. That's her dad. She's having one of those lifelike dreams that she was talking about. Oh no. Oh no. That's... this is not gonna end well. Oh god, I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry, aren't I? I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry.
Dad loved this song. I just called to tell you that I miss you.
She knew every word.
So what a beautiful day.
Socket wrench. Oh my god.
I know what a spark plug does, jerkwad.
Exactly. Sure what?
This isn't right.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh
If
no.
Mom were here, she'd tell him to turn that junk off.
This is not good. She's trying to cut all of her memories of her dad out, or try to keep all of the memories of her dad in, but David's cutting them out. Oh no.
Dad, turn it up.
At least she gets cute, lifelike memories of her dad. No. As soon as I say that, is this their car wreck? I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm crying again. I didn't know I could cry this many times with contact still in my eyes. Thought they would have fallen out by now. Whoa. Poor Chloe. I can't stop sniffling.
Hey,
Oh
The
my
hell?
god.
out of the car, Chloe. It's too late.
I was having a lifelike dream jerkwad.
Shit. Thanks.
Don't use that sarcastic tone with me, young lady. I can see you rolling your eyes.
Hello? I was actually saying
I
that
see everything.
I said thank you.
I'll warn everything.
Flick him on. Dang it. Thought we were gonna get another bill.
Hello, Black Cow.
Yup. The Tempest. Drugs mess up. Blackwell Academy. Arcadia Bay, the city of drugs and, well, psychotic people. I was gonna go even further detail with that, but that would spoil the first game, so I'm not gonna go there. There's Elliot.
Hey, Chloe.
Oh, Hey, Elliot.
Wait, what happened to your face? Do you need to go to the nurse or something?
What? This? You should see the other guy.
Guess it's true then. I heard you had a hell of a night. I mean, people are talking about it.
People can eat a dick. Even social media haters can't ruin how awesome last night was.
So, how about The Tempest? Blackwell Theater at its most pretentious.
I'm good.
Yeah, totally.
I know it's gonna be lame, but I was thinking, do you want to go together tomorrow?
No. That sounds awful.
No way. I'd rather have my eyes gouged out with rusted forks.
Yeah, right. Me too, I guess.
Alright. See you in chem.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh. Okay, she kind of took that to the extreme. Kind of feel bad for him.
Gotta
So
track down
your
stuff to pick up my
objective.
DVD.
Press
I've still got time before class.
Get DVD from Steph. Okay. So she has it on her hand. Good to know. I'll remember that. So, I need to... Is there any other pages? Yes, okay. Max. So the mustache drove me to school today. Yep, that's what my life's become. Even worse, he thought the ride was gonna be was like a tell me how things are gonna go from now on opportunity. I shut that crap down real quick, but I have a feeling he's gonna run crying to my mom about it because that's the kind of little baby he is. The little man baby he is. Had a dream about that again. The one where I was there when it happened. It seems to get harder and harder after each of these to remember what's real and what's not. All I can remember after I wake up is how much I miss him. I hope that never goes away. The Chloe who wasn't there, or was I? Okay, so there's two more, Elliot and Mikey and Steph. Okay, so Elliot. As far as Blackwell students go, Elliot Hamden is pretty not terrible. He hangs out with some of the like annoying people sometimes, but I get the sense that he's mostly a lone wolf, like this chick. Similar to my class schedule, Elliot and I have history, but no chemistry or drama. We hooked up a few times shortly after Dad died, but there wasn't really much to it. I think I was just bored, or maybe a little lonely. Weird, I know. I don't always get where Elliot's coming from. He's constantly asking to do stuff with me, which is nice, but I'm not sure that we have that much in common anymore. Sometimes when we talk, it seems like he's studying me. I can't tell if he actually wants to be friends with me or just get in my pants. I should be flattered either way, but also I'm not sure how much I care. Sorry, Elliot. And then Mikey and Steph. Has kissed girls. Has not kissed ever. That is hilarious. So Steph is obviously into girls. Mikey is never kissed anyone, so who knows? I can never decide if Steph is the coolest or nerdiest person in all of Blackwell. Maybe both. She is definitely queen of the indoor kids, with all of their weird role-playing games and sci-fi crap. I guess her dad is a video editor. She makes some sweet cash by selling bootleg DVDs. Don't knock the hustle, and I'm pretty sure Steph does all the backstage technical work for the school plays, which checks out. Another thing about Steph is she's into girls, and she doesn't give a crap what anyone else thinks about it. Mikey North is the captain of Steph's fan club, and the two of them can be found huddled around tables, rolling 20-sided dice whenever they have the chance. If life were one of those 80s movies Dad used to watch, Mikey would be the nerd that the jocks give wedgies to. In the real world, if someone's messing with Mikey, they'd be in deep crap. Mikey's older brother is Drew North, Blackwell's alpha jock. The truth is, Mikey is one of the few genuinely nice people in this place, although every once in a while he says something that reveals a darker outlook on life. No idea where he gets it from. Maybe Star Trek. Okay. So, looking for David's crap still in prison wall. I think I missed out on David's crap though, which is really annoying. Steph. Hey, I'm at a picnic tables with Mikey. Thanks, on my way. Do I see them? From a distance. Is that Frank? Oh. That looked like Frank from a distance, but you know. It wasn't. I see them. But, oh, Victoria, I remember you from season 1. You're a biscuit.
Carrie Price.
Carrie Price?
It's Chloe.
Oh, right. I'm just teasing. People have been taking me so seriously since I won the Beacon's Young Artist Award for my photography.
You don't say.
Just wait until Max Caulfield comes into the town, then you're in trouble.
Hey.
Between that and the Vortex Club, it's hard to keep people from putting me up on a pedestal or whatever. But you know all about that. What, with Rachel Amber? Am I right?
Rachel Amber.
Wait. What about Rachel Amber?
Rachel posted a slamming selfie of you two having the time of your lives. Do tell.
We murdered a man.
It was a pretty normal night for us. A little music, a little dancing. We murdered a guy.
You are so funny. Oh, seriously though. I didn't realize you and Rachel were such BFFs.
We're really not.
So, what's she into? You know, what's her thing? Is it drugs? I'm not judging or anything. I figure if she's hanging out with you, she must be into some effed up shit. You know? I mean, look at your face.
Seriously, I don't know why you're talking to me about Rachel.
Oh, everybody loves her. Little Miss Perfect.
So you're jealous of Rachel Amber?
I actually love this Victoria rather than Life is Strange 1 Victoria. Wow, okay. She just got a lot cuter. Jesus. Okay.
That's what's happening right now. Gotcha.
Oh God,
She just went from she just went from 0 to 100 real fast.
I don't have time for this.
Quick.
I didn't even finish the chemistry assignment, and you're being you. Oh. Why would Rachel Amber ever hang out with Carrie Price?
It's
Never mind.
Chloe.
I would have sabotaged her homework, but figured she's a little bit too annoying. Her little run. Oh my god. So cute. Evan, I remember
Need
you
my DVD
from
from Steph.
season 1.
I bet she's nerding it up with Mikey somewhere.
Hello, Evan.
Chloe, I'd like to talk to you about wildfire awareness and prevention.
Good morning to you too, Evan.
According to the Department of Forestry, over 90% of this season's fires were caused by humans. That's a record high and completely preventable.
Wildfires are awesome. Why are you doing this? Wildfires are awesome.
Who says we should prevent fire? Fire is awesome.
I do like fire.
While
Fire's
I
pretty
realize
cool.
you're being purposefully obstructive, you raise a good point. Many parts of our local ecosystem benefit from fire.
Exactly.
Knob-cone pine cones, for example, which require temperatures above 350 degrees to open.
Say knob cone again.
Oh.
Oh my god. Why are you doing this?
This is for college, right? I don't believe you actually care about this.
My interest in fire prevention is completely sincere. Besides, I intend to get into college on the strength of my photography alone. Do you think Rachel Amber would be willing to pose for my portfolio? She's so artistic. I bet she would be a dream model. What do you think?
I guess. I gotta run.
Wait, one last thing. Will you sign my petition to have a fire safety assembly at school?
Anything to get out of class.
Sure. I love assemblies. Some of the best naps of my life.
Wow, thanks. I did not see that coming. You being, you know, interested in complicated issues, helping out with the public.
Stabbing
Do you want
you
me
in
to
the
change
eyeball.
my mind?
No.
Okay.
How seriously am I taking this right now?
Chloe, Bryce, Evan, smoke weed.
Happy to support such an important cause. Blackwell Academy, home of tomorrow's leaders.
Oh my god. I love that. Oh my god. Smoke weed the bear. I love that. Okay.
Thanks so much for signing my petition.
You're welcome.
Smoke weed D bear?
Only you can prevent ganja fires.
Oh my god. That was the best joke in the entire Life is Strange series. That won it for me.
If I had known the Celestial Avenger was bloodied, I would have totally given him my potion.
It was a skill challenge. Potion wouldn't have worked.
Skill challenge?
It's part of the tabletop game we play.
Who
I'm
wouldn't
digging
understand?
Steph's look. Steph's kind of cute. Try me.
Give me a break, nerds. I've heard of tabletop games.
Cool.
Got my DVD?
One Blade Runner, director's cut, coming right up.
Sweet. $5, right?
Keep it. I'm just glad someone here appreciates the classics. You even asked for the director's cut, which took out the shitty voiceover and replaced it with a sweet dream sequence.
Dream life over real life. That's my motto.
Right on.
Hey, do you know if Rachel's a gamer?
Rachel Amber? You're asking me?
Didn't you two go out last night, or was it just like a friend thing?
What's it to you?
Why do you want to know?
Steph has a crush.
Chloe, you should join our game.
Yeah. I don't have...
Does she have a crush on Rachel or Chloe? Because I can't tell. Probably both.
50 hours right now? Thanks, though.
We're at the end of the campaign, so it'll only take like 20 minutes. What else have you got to do before class?
See Rachel. Some other time.
Not really in the mood. Maybe later.
You know where to find us.
DVD? Check. Next stop, chemistry class. Joy.
I need to find... I know where to go. Okay. I know where to get the next, what's it called? Yeah. Yep, okay. What is it called? It's back here, right? Like, I'm definitely correct. Smoke.
Students at Blackwell have this herd instinct to glom up into little groups like sheep. And if you just want to be alone, you get labeled like some dangerous outsider.
Ugh, hate that. Was that not the area to write? Am I, like, wrong? I thought this was definitely gonna be the area to graffiti. Look at all that graffiti. What? Oh, is that
If I'm
it?
late to class, that's just one
Graffiti. Prison wall. Firewalk rocks or Principal Well rocks. Firewalk rocks. Ooh, the pool! That brings back memories.
Last night's show was too epic.
Yeah. Okay, so I definitely missed something sharp, but I might not have missed David's crap yet. So let's just keep that in mind and go from there. Final exams.
No, Chloe. Class is back the other way.
You would think after playing 4 Life is Strange games, I would know the way around the Blackwell. And I would also know the name of the school because I was obsessed with this game and I still was looking at Chloe Price pictures earlier on today.
I'm officially out of excuses to stay out here. Must mean it's chemistry time.
And I'm officially out of intelligence. Who's this? You look familiar. No, you're not. I thought you were Dana.
No, Chloe.
What?
Class is back the other way.
No, it's not. Yeah, it is. Oh my gosh. I'm actually stupid. I'm going in here, aren't I? Up here. Good luck, I ran into a bench. Good luck, seniors. Let's go. Blackwell Academy, 1910.
What the hell?
Nathan!
What have you got here? Twitch?
Don't call me that!
True North.
Oh, Nathan
Just so dumb,
Prescott.
he makes jocks look bad. Guess Nathan Prescott made the shit list.
Oh, wow. This is some really weird crap, Prescott.
It's not yours. Give it back!
I hate that you're on the team now. You're such a loser.
You just wait until season 1.
Want to take this elsewhere, guys?
The mute speaks? Whoa, whoa! You earn a spot on the squad, Twitch. You don't have your dad try to buy off the coach.
At least my family pays tuition. How much financial aid does your deadbeat dad need again?
Oh.
Wow. Dick move, Nathan.
Yeah,
My
that
dad
was
lost
actually
his
really
job at
messed
the
up.
shipyard when your dad closed it down. And you want to talk shit to me?
Leave Nathan alone.
You know something, Prescott? I'm gonna do you a favor. You can't be
I feel bad for both of them, but they're both in the wrong with the words they're saying.
a part of the team and be into this stupid crap at the same time.
Photography's awesome.
You're a piece of shit. I am going
Stop
to
it.
kill you.
I would
You
believe
guys,
it.
stop! Chloe, do something! Don't just stand there watching!
Step in.
The only way to stop a bully is to be aggressive. I've got to put Drew down.
Back off, idiot.
What the hell did you just say to me?
Back off? As in, go away? No one's interested in your crap.
You're seriously defending Nathan Prescott?
Congrats. You've actually got me feeling sorry for Arcadia Bay's most spoiled brat. That's how much of an asshole you're being right now.
You're such a crazy freak. Mind your own business.
What's crazy is that you haven't been held back yet. How is that possible?
You want a piece of this?
You mean your budding bromance with Nathan? You're clearly into him. Just pull his hair already.
Yes, Chloe.
Did you just laugh?
I did. Chloe just owned you.
Yup.
Shut the fuck up, fresh meat.
You shut the fuck up.
Yeah.
Go Samantha.
Yeah.
Guess you got lucky this time, Prescott. Had 2 girls show up to save you. Take your pervy picture book.
Are you okay?
You think I need help? From you?
What the frick?
You're welcome.
That's so
Are you
messed
alright?
up.
Thanks for sticking up for him. People think just because of his family.
Hi, Skip.
Everything okay here?
Yup.
No problem, Skip.
You look familiar. Not familiar. You look just like Frank. He doesn't even look familiar. He just looks like Frank. Mom, glad we talked. Me too. I know you're doing your best. Love you. Aw, that was sweet. Let's go. Rachel!
Oh, good. You're here.
Rachel is new bae. That's a yes. Eh? Yup. You heard it here. Rachel's bae.
I do beseech you, chiefly that I might set it in my prayers. What is your name?
Miranda.
Dana!
Oh, my father, I have broke your hest to say so.
Good. Admired Miranda, indeed worth what's dearest in the world. Many a lady I have eyed with best regard, and many a time had listened to... Many a time the harmony of their tongues hath I listened to.
Hayden, you're killing me. You've had weeks to be off book.
Sorry, Mr. Keaton.
No, don't apologize to me. Apologize to your scene partner who's been very accommodating, and to your other fellow actors, and most of all, to yourself.
Mr. Keaton, sorry to interrupt, but does this look better? I had my mom take it in a bit.
She
Rachel
looks
looks
so good.
awesome.
I need to stop, Chloe. What? I need to stop. I don't know where I was going with that, but that sounded weird. I need to stop not repeating. Saying the same thing as Chloe, I don't know. Saying similar things to Chloe, I don't know.
This is getting as surreal as...
She blinked? Oh my god. Winked. My mind is like in China right now.
last night.
Looking good, Rach.
Very
Yes.
Exquisite Rachel, as always.
Mr. Keaton, I'm still having trouble with... My affections are then most humble. I have no ambition to see a goodlier man. I mean, does she really mean that?
Especially because I just straight out told her I've been banging all the ladies.
Yeah, that is hard. We've talked about that line forever. We need a fresh perspective. The question is, are Miranda's feelings of instant passion for Ferdinand just inexperience in dramatic circumstances, or has she actually just met the love of her life? What do you think?
Miranda's an idiot.
Miranda's an idiot because falling in love is stupid. What is she, 12?
Actually, she's about 15, so your point, whoever you are, about being an idiot or being naive is well taken.
Thanks, Mr. Keaton.
Later.
See you later, guys.
Oh no. I have first period improv with a class full of freshmen now.
That's me.
Your eye looks fabulous. Where'd you get it done?
What?
Just kidding. That asshole really clocked you.
It wasn't a big deal.
I'll just be a minute.
Okay, so why am I here again?
Oh, could you grab my belt for me? I think it's in my bag over there.
Yeah, sure.
I love her voice so much. Like, between
Okay.
her and Chloe right now, like... Great actors. Well, actresses that play them. Like, yes.
Get the belt. Don't say any stupid shit and don't, like, fall down. Should be doable, right?
That's me. Just don't fall down. Aw, that's cute.
Rachel looks so happy here.
Aw.
There's Rachel's belt.
I'm guessing that's her dad.
Guess I'll go give this to Rachel now.
Props, poster, look, poster.
Oh, sometimes you just gotta turn up the heat.
I know it was you, Hayden.
I'm gonna guess it's from Logan.
Dana, you're very beautiful. Do you want to go out? I would be into that. Guess who? Logan. Guess who? Logan. Guess who? That's funny. Rachel.
Rachel? Is this your belt?
Yes! Thank you.
Oh, bring it to her or throw the belt over. Bring it to her? Is she naked? I didn't look. Is she naked? Oh, she's half naked. Okay, hey.
I really liked your costume.
Thanks. So, did you bring flowers for my dressing room?
I'll owe you.
I guess I owe you.
I'll hold you to that.
I'll let you finish changing now.
She's so awkward. I love it.
Chloe Price.
Rachel Amber.
Last night was amazing.
Firewalk was pretty good.
I'd never seen Firewalk live. Pretty fierce show.
We'll have to do it again. To tell the truth, I went to bed last night wishing it never had to end.
Aww.
But then I thought, why? Why does it have to end?
Maybe it doesn't.
Maybe it doesn't have to end.
Exactly. How would you like to join me on a little field trip?
Yes.
Fuck yes. I was born to ditch.
I hoped you'd say that. Know about that eye? That is a hell of a battle scar. Do you want me to cover it up with some makeup?
No way.
Are you kidding? This is a badge of honor.
Respect. Let's get the hell out of here.
Yes. I love this so much. Oh my god. Okay. Are we on a train? No. But we're getting on one, I'm assuming.
You sure you don't want to just grab the bus, or?
Nope. If we're gonna go rogue, we're doing it right.
Did she just smack her butt?
Well?
What the hell am I getting into here?
I want to jump on a train. Yes, Rach. Yes, Chloe.
Where does this thing go?
Who knows?
North? Maybe we'll end up in Seattle.
Oh no, please don't send me to Seattle.
Pull up a chair, Price. The view's amazing.
It is pretty amazing. Elliot. Hey, why weren't you and Cam? Everything okay? Yep. What happened with Drew? People were saying you were awesome. Yo, let's talk later. Okay?
Rachel wants me to pull up a chair. Guess we're not the first ones to hop on this train. I wonder what the symbols mean. Whoa, Nathan's dad is a Terminator? That totally checks out. I feel pretty confident there's going to be a dead body in here.
Casual. Why is she, like, goals? Like, total goals? Can I fall off this train? No. Oh, well that's good, because I probably
Just another
would've by now.
typical day, skipping school, with Rachel Amber. There's my chair.
Thought she was
Things
gonna
heavier
knock
than
it
it
off the
looks.
train.
Guess I should sit down. Alright, Chloe. We're on a freaking train with Rachel freaking Amber. Play it cool.
Yes, please.
Is this nervousness? Is that what this feeling is? Wish Max were here so I could ask.
Aww.
Should I make small talk? Is that what people do?
Why does she like almost every single one of like her girl friends that she has? Like, please explain that to me. Nice weather.
It's nice Rachel we're having.
Oh my god. That is the worst thing you could say.
What? I mean weather. It's nice weather. It sure is.
So, it's kind of weird that we're hanging out.
You mean because I don't hang out with anyone and I don't have any friends?
You have friends.
Well, I used to. Friend. Singular. Her name was Max, but she left for greener, more northern pastures.
That sucks.
Yep.
I didn't mention it earlier, but you seem to have some kind of Jedi mind powers over Mr. Keaton and the theater crew.
You mean when we were talking about true love in the play? I guess you could say I'm good with people, yeah.
Just don't pull that stuff with me.
You will get on this train.
Oh, shit.
I bet you're wondering what we're doing.
The thought occurred, yeah.
Well, I wanted some company.
Aw, that's cute.
That's it?
That's it.
I love company.
Good to fucking go. Anything beats another second in Blackwell.
You really hate it there, don't you?
You don't? Right. What reason would Rachel Amber have for hating Blackwell Academy? Your high school royalty.
You don't know me. Yet. Let's do something fun.
Flirt?
V-card's been punched, Rachel. I'm sorry.
Wow.
Too far.
Well, I don't know.
Okay, something fun. I'm all ears.
2 truths and a lie.
Oh no.
What?
I think we should play 2 truths and a lie. It's a game where each person offers up 3 facts about themselves, 2 of which are the truth, and 1 of which is
A lie?
right. And then the other person has to guess which is which.
Sounds fun.
Sounds fun. You're on.
I'll start. First, I'm ambidextrous. Second, I was born in New York, the land of fashion and Broadway, to which I will one day return when my heinous exile here in Arcadia Bay comes to an end.
New York, huh? I've never been.
Not a world traveler?
Not yet, at least.
If you could travel anywhere, where would you go? Russia, Greece, Kathmandu?
Kathmandu?
One day, I'm going to climb Everest.
And I thought moving away from Arcadia Bay was ambitious. What's your third thing?
My third thing?
2 truths and a lie? You say 3 things?
Right. I'm a Leo. Meow.
She's definitely a Leo.
Okay, so ambidextrous, born in New York, and a Leo. Gotcha.
So, which is the lie?
New York? If it's either, I know that she's definitely a Leo. She is very bold. I think I want to say New York, because from what I remember, she was born in California?
You seem more like a Cali girl to me.
Damn, Bryce, not bad. Long Beach.
Hey, I remembered that from season 1.
Fact. West Coast is the best coast.
I've only ever lived in Oregon, so nothing to compare it to, I guess.
Then we'll have to change that one day, won't we? Okay, your turn, Bryce.
First fact. Right. Something about myself. Should I start things off with a lie or with the truth? Or should I cheat? Let's see how good she really is at this game.
Let's tell the truth. I love science.
I love science. Seriously, I think Neil deGrasse Tyson is the shit.
Huh.
Let's tell the truth. I wanted to be a pirate as a kid.
I used to want to be a pirate when I grew up. I kinda still do. Arr.
And let's lie. I broke my hand punching someone, I'm allergic to cats, or I'm in a band. I broke my hand punching someone.
I once broke my hand punching Stephanie Kowalski in 5th grade.
No way.
Bitch took my yoo-hoo. Knocked her the fuck out.
That is actually me now.
You like to write notes to yourself.
Helps me stay focused.
Also, sweet scar. You're hella mysterious, Chloe Price.
Hella? Who says that?
That was Chloe's word in season 1. Now I know where she got it from.
It's a Cali thing. Anyway, I think I have your number. Of course you wanted to be a pirate. Sail the open seas,
Buckle swash.
plunder secret treasure.
Did I mention my love of booty?
So, pirate. Obviously true.
Arr.
Like you said. Arr.
Okay. You say you love science, but you are failing chemistry.
You're saying failing chemistry means I hate science?
Or that Blackwell doesn't inspire your best work.
That place is a hellhole filled with shit, where shitty people go to be shitty to each other and themselves.
Tell me how you really feel, though. Anyway, school sucks, but you love science. I'm gonna say true. Now, about this broken hand story. It's not that I don't think you could knock Stephanie Kowalski out. A bitch takes your yoo-hoo, she's gotta get caught.
Damn straight.
Exactly.
But you didn't get that scar from punching someone.
No.
That scar is from a distal radius fracture.
What?
So you're a physician now?
Last summer I performed a one-woman Doctor Who homage entitled Weeping Angel.
Wait, what?
The point is, I know that the scar you've got comes with breaking your wrist when you fall. Like, from a skateboard?
Yeah.
What?
I guess 6 years ago?
7. Well, shit. I always thought I was a good liar.
Jeez.
Good thing you're pretty.
Aw, that was cute.
So, If my math is correct, you told me 2 truths and 1 lie.
What? You expected me to cheat?
Winners make their own rules, Chloe.
You are crazy good at this game.
A lifetime of studying the human condition.
I'm impressed.
Well, I'm impressed.
I bet it's hard to impress Chloe Price. I'm gonna feel good about that one. When your dad is the district attorney, I guess lying is something you're used to.
Seriously?
Seriously.
I know who to call if I need to get out of a ticket then. Not that I have a right of my own. Car first, embarrassing number of moving violations second.
Hey, thanks for trusting me.
Aww.
Trusting you?
You played the game, and not everyone would admit to wanting to be a pirate.
But eye patches are so cool.
And rum is delicious. I guess. You opened up a lot, that's all.
It's not a big deal.
I hate to break it to you, but Chloe Price is not exactly renowned throughout Arcadia Bay as a bastion of trust and empathy.
Trust is hard.
Trust doesn't exactly come easy to me. Maybe if you'd had my life, you'd understand.
No, I get that.
On the other hand, I got on this train with you, didn't I?
Fair point.
Just gonna stare at each other.
Wouldn't mind listening to some music.
Sid matters. Share with Rachel.
Hey, wanna listen?
Okay, so I'm gonna end this episode here. Let me turn this down some. I'm gonna end this episode here. If y'all enjoyed, please hit the like button down below and comment what you liked about it. Also, hit that subscribe button as well. Also, just like let me know how you think Rachel is. Like, I like her. And I didn't think I would like her as much as I do, because from what she sounded in season 1, she sounded very snobby. But I actually really like her, so that's good news. Rachel may or may not now be New Bae, so yeah. I'll see you all next time. Bye.